What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Crypto Time. So, what a freaking Thursday. Haven't seen a day like this in the cryptocurrency market in I don't even know how long. It's probably been years, months, decades. I don't remember the last time I saw a day like this. But Bitcoin Cash is up 50%. Don't know why. Don't know what's going on there. Bitcoin has broken 3 key resistance points in the last 2 days, the most recent being 4,100. And there is pandemonium going on crypto Twitter. So, the title of this video, now before you freak out and call me, a moonchild or whatever you're going to call me, I did not come up with this title, okay? I got this title off of Twitter, and I'm just going to be reacting to the video in this tweet that's been getting a lot of attention. I'm going to be reacting to the video he linked. So, tweet says, I'm more of a person who works in, small goals leading up to a larger goal. So if I was to set a crazy price point like this, and I wouldn't put 80,000 out there, but we'd have to hit 5K first. Then I'd want to hit 10K. Then we'd have to double that to get to the all-time high, which is 20K. And then we'd have to tack another $60,000 onto the all-time high to get to 80,000. So I am not with this guy, unfortunately. I'm actually kind of on the fence about the market right now. I think this might be a bull trap. A lot of people are talking, here's the moon, here's the bull run, December's the month, blah, blah, blah. Let's see how it plays out. I'd love to be wrong about the bull trap. I'd love to see it go to 80K. But anyways, we're going to be reacting to this video. Now, a couple things before we get into this. I don't know Bitcoin fund manager. I don't know what kind of person he is. I've never done any type of research into it. So this is not in any way an exposed video or me trying to talk bad about this guy. Everyone's got their hustle. Everyone's doing their own thing. As long as it's not hurting people, I'm fine with it. However, I don't like the fact that comments are disabled. And I also don't like the fact that the only thing in his description is a link to his Bitcoin fund management website. It feels a little salesy to me. And this website, it kind of feels a little bit like a course sale to me. I'm going to show you all these things. I'm going to show you what you can do. Here's the cars. Here's the women. Here's the ladies. Here's the view. It feels a little bit like a sales pitch to me. I don't know if that's what he's trying to do. Maybe he's just trying to put his opinion out there. And that's what this is. This is his opinion, and that's totally fine. I'm just saying I don't like that the only thing linked in this video and the only description he has is the Bitcoin fund management website. So let me know your opinions on that. Maybe you guys know about this guy, or if you watched him before. And if you can attest to his character, you say he's a good guy, whatever, go ahead and put it in the comments. So, with that being said, I'd like to get into this video. Now, we're not going to watch the whole 13-minute video, but I'd like to watch enough to get an idea of what this guy's saying. So,
for the first time in a long time, Bitcoin just did a stock market inverse correlation. Yep, all the world's equities markets dropped. S&P 500, FTSE, KOSPI, NASDAQ, and guess what? Bitcoin was the only one
kind of setting it up
upwards. So what's going to happen in 2019? What's going to happen, heck, in December? What's going to give you the highest ROI?
All right, hold up.
And why?
I want to make it clear that I'm not trying to expose anybody. This isn't that type of video. But I don't like price points being thrown out like this and people being taken advantage and believing this stuff like this. This already feels salesy to me. I don't know if you guys get the same vibe, but I've seen enough course sale videos and enough videos like this to feel a little bit like a sale to me. I don't know if that's true. Maybe he just talks like this, but trying to say what's going to happen in 2019, what's going to happen at the end of December. Should you get in now? We'll let it play. Let it play.
Should you sell your stocks and buy gold? Is gold going to go up? What about Forex markets? What about the US dollar? Is that going to go up more or less than Bitcoin in cryptocurrencies? Let's deal with that in this episode. Bitcoin-fund-manager.com, bitcoinfundmanager.com, where we protect and grow your cryptocurrency holdings while they stay in your own exchange account. 24 hours a day, we remote control trade for you. Let's go into the facts right now. All right, we're going to go through these.
Showing his setup. It's got a pretty cool setup, I'm not going to lie.
Website, bitcoin-fund-manager. Okay, here's the short answer.
I just don't like it.
Everybody knows that the stock markets have peaked.
And he might be a great guy. No, I don't know. I don't know.
100 different analysts on
Wall
Street.
But it seems salesy.
92 of them will tell you, yeah, we're headed for a downtrend. Now, where everyone's going to start arguing is, okay, so for the last 10 years, we've had a bullish stock market in just about every major country. So where's the money going to go? Traditionally, money went back into the US dollar, making a strong US dollar. Traditionally, money went back into gold or commodities. Is that what's going to happen this time? Here's the short answer, no. Let me give you a longer answer, not at all. I'm prepared to show you why, and I'm prepared to show you why all that money from all the equities markets is going to go into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Let's dive into it right now. Okay, so first...
All right, so I want to talk about that really quick and just give my 2 cents. Now, obviously, I run a cryptocurrency YouTube channel. I do crypto every single day. I'm very much all out on cryptocurrency. However, a lot of people are talking about economic recessions right now. I find it highly unlikely that people who already don't trust cryptocurrency right now, when there's a recession and there's not a lot of money going around, are then going to put all of their money in a speculative, very manipulated market that they don't understand, that's extremely volatile and has lost 90% in the last year. That might be, you know, very bearish of me to say. However, I don't see that happening. And again, I hope that I'm wrong. I'd love for Bitcoin to soar to 80K like this guy is saying. But, you know, I don't know. Let's keep playing.
Well, let's deal with the world markets. This is the world markets. As you can see, for the last decade, everyone's just been living high on the hog. That's why Wall Street guys make millions of dollars a year, or used to make millions of dollars a year. Look at what happened to FTSE. All the way from 2,000 up to 8,000, 2,000. People won't buy something that's even more volatile, like cryptocurrencies. It's super high risk.
That's what I said.
That's what people say just because that's what they've read. But risk, what is risk? Risk is the possibility that something's going to lose value, right? So if the stock markets, world equities market starts dipping, and Bitcoin's already at its bottom, it's already hit bottom, so there's no more risk that it's going to go down, is Bitcoin still a volatile investment? Is Bitcoin still risky when there's no more risk left in it? All that money is going to leave the stock market. That's a lot of money, and it's not going to go into gold. And it's not going to go into the US dollar. It's a pretty big statement, isn't it? It's going to go into Bitcoin instead. Now, that's an even bigger statement. Let me explain to you why. Okay, so let's first...
We're going to go through this explanation, and I think I'm going to...
All this money, you see this huge amount of money increased, huge amount of money that increased, huge amount of money that increased. We know that it's going to deflate, right? How do we know it's going to deflate? The Federal Reserve is expected to hike interest rates in just a day or two. Here it is up close. So in addition to the inverse yield curve that's currently happening, that normally is followed by massive stock market declines, now you've got the Fed that's going to raise interest rates. That's literally like putting crazy glue on nails and then hammering them into the coffin. In fact, this is so bad for the economy, Trump went on a tirade. Now, if you're an analyst, you might think, wait a second, if the Fed hikes interest rates, doesn't that make the dollar stronger? So why here? Why is Trump, well, back there?
Okay, so I think I'm not going to finish this video, but I think that his whole argument for the 80K BTC price, and I don't know what his time limit is on this, he just says starting now in his tweet, is that the money from the stock markets and is all going to go into Bitcoin. And that's the whole thing. Like, I don't know. Like I said, I'm not going to finish the video. This seems very salesy to me. You know, buy Bitcoin now, it's going to go up. Invest in my fund now, it's going to go up. Let me manage your Bitcoin, it's going to go up. You know, again, for the last time that I'm going to say this, I don't know this guy. He could be totally legit. This is just his opinion, you know. But for me, I don't agree with this. I don't think we're going to go straight to 80K. And I actually doubt that if we do see a economic recession, that all of that money that's going to go from the stock market and get out of the stock market is going to be thrown into Bitcoin. Again, highly speculative. People don't know how it works. People barely know what it is, and they've seen it drop by 90% in this year alone. So that's my opinions, guys. Maybe yours is totally different. Maybe you think we're going straight to 80K right now. This guy is Satoshi Nakamoto himself. He knows exactly what's going on. He knows the deal. Let me know what you guys' opinions are. I gave you guys mine. Let me know yours in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to have more content throughout this week. I want to do like 2 or 3 videos per week starting now. 80K. But hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, everybody, see ya. Oh boy.